Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the Messenger app is updated and that you are signed in. This prevents missing emoji packs. Once done, open the conversation where you want the new emoji and tap the emoji or sticker icon next to the text field. You should see the default set. If new emoji aren't visible, tap the plus or settings gear to access updates or emoji packs. Doing this first gets you to the emoji picker quickly and avoids later setbacks. You'll now install and choose the new emoji. Tap the plus or store icon inside the picker to browse available emoji or sticker packs, download the one you want, and accept any permissions it requests. Once the pack is installed, return to the picker. Your new emoji appear in a dedicated tab. Tap an emoji to insert it into the message, and hold certain emoji to access variations or skin tones. This step explains why downloading is required. Finish by previewing the emoji in the composer and pressing send. You'll see it inline once delivered. If the emoji doesn't display or shows as a blank box, make sure you restart the app, and if needed, re-download the pack. Cache issues often block new assets. Also make sure the person you're messaging has an updated app, since older versions may not render new emoji. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall Messenger to force fresh asset downloads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.